So if you have an Amazon store, technically you can open it without forming a company. But if you're serious about turning this into a real business and protecting yourself in the process, there's a lot more to consider, because choosing the right structure from the beginning can save you from some pretty costly mistakes later on. What's going on, everyone? Today, I'm going to be walking you through something a lot of new Amazon sellers overlook at the start, which is, do you need an LLC to sell on Amazon, and how to set up the proper business foundation you need for long-term growth and branding. So when most people start selling on Amazon, they usually go the sole proprietor route. It's the easiest way to start. No forms to fill out, no upfront cost, and you just report your income on your regular tax return. Simple. And there are even a few nice perks, like being able to write off part of your internet bill or home office setup. But there's a catch. You're personally on the hook for everything. There's no legal boundary between you and your business. So if something goes wrong, like a customer sues or a product causes an issue, it's you, not your store, at risk. It could be your savings, your house, even your retirement. And that's where things start to feel a little less comfortable. And that's why a lot of sellers eventually switch over to an LLC, because the whole point of an LLC is protection. It puts a legal wall between you and the business. So if anything goes wrong, your personal assets are off the table. That one shift makes a huge difference in your peace of mind. But the benefits don't stop there. Having an LLC also makes you look more established. So if you ever need to open a business bank account, apply for financing, or negotiate with suppliers, it instantly shows them you're serious, and it forces you to keep your business finances separate from your personal ones, which might sound like more work, but actually makes taxes and accounting way easier once you get going. Now, just to be clear, Amazon doesn't require you to form an LLC. You can technically sell without one, but if you are planning to grow or even just want to avoid major headaches down the line, it's easily one of the best early steps that you can take. And on top of that, there's another big reason sellers lean towards the LLC setup, and that's the flexibility it gives you with taxes, especially once your profits start to pick up. So once your Amazon store starts bringing in some real income, like $50,000 or more a year, just having an LLC isn't the whole story anymore. At that point, taxes start to eat up a bigger chunk of your profits. And that's when having a good tax strategy really starts to matter. Now, one of the biggest perks of setting up an LLC early is that it gives you options. So by default, the IRS treats your LLC as a pass-through entity. So if it's just you running the business, you'll still report everything on your personal tax return using a Schedule C. And that setup works fine in the beginning. But as your profits grow, so does your tax bill, especially when it comes to self-employment tax, which is over 15% on all of your business earnings. But here's where things get interesting. An LLC lets you change how you're taxed later. You can choose to be taxed as an S-corporation, and that can make a big difference. With an S-corp, you're allowed to split your income into two buckets, part as a salary and part as a distribution. You still pay self-employment tax on your salary, but the distribution side, that part skips the 15.3 tax completely. So if your profits are at the 50K mark or higher, making the S-Corp switch can save you thousands each year. Now, it does come with a bit more paperwork. You're going to need to run payroll and file a separate business tax return. But for sellers who are growing steadily, that extra work usually ends up being well worth it. And this is exactly why forming the LLC early on is such a smart move. Even if you don't switch to an S-Corp status right away, you'll have the structure in place to do it later without having to go back and fix everything midstream. All right, so let's talk about what it actually takes to keep an LLC running. So even though setting up an LLC gives you a ton of protection and some great tax perks, it does come with a bit of extra responsibility. And this is where a lot of sellers start to feel overwhelmed, because each state has its own set of rules, its own forms, and its own fees. To kick it off, you usually need to file something called the Articles of Organization, create an operating agreement, and get an EIN for your business. It's not difficult. It's definitely more involved than just launching your Amazon account and jumping in. But the bigger challenge is what comes after, because forming the LLC, it's just step one. You've got to keep it in good standing. That means filing annual reports, paying whatever fees your state requires, and keeping your business and personal finances totally separate. And if you miss a deadline or accidentally blur those lines, you could lose your liability protection altogether. That's the kind of thing that doesn't seem like a big deal until it is. On top of that, costs vary a lot depending on where you live. Some states are pretty cheap, like New Mexico or Missouri, which have very low to no annual fees, but others charge several $100s up front, plus ongoing franchise taxes and extra reporting requirements. For example, states like California charge a minimum annual franchise tax of $800, and Delaware requires a $300 annual tax regardless of whether you made any income. So Just keeping track of what your specific state expects can be a part-time job by itself. And this is exactly why so many sellers turn to a professional service, because once you're busy dealing with inventory, customer service, and making sure you're staying in Amazon's good graces, you really don't want to be buried in paperwork or stressing over a missed filing. So now that we've gone over why forming an LLC is such a smart move and why keeping it compliant can be a pain, let's take a look at a service that handles all of that for you while also helping you build a professional brand for your Amazon store. And this is how Tailor Brands helps Amazon sellers launch and grow. So if you've already decided that forming an LLC is the right move, the next step is figuring out how to actually get it done, and that's where Tailor Brands comes in. This platform is truly an all-in-one solution built specifically to help entrepreneurs quickly launch a structured business, from the official paperwork to the actual branding. What makes it such a strong fit for Amazon sellers is that it simplifies the complicated steps of business formation, while at the same time giving you the professional assets you need to instantly stand out in the marketplace. They handle the essential formation work like filing your articles of organization and helping you get your EIN, and that's the employer identification number, and it is required both for a business bank account and for hiring people down the road. They've designed their entire process so you can often complete the formation steps in just minutes, saving you a huge amount of time. Now, let's talk about their formation plans. Tailor Brands offers 3 main options for LLC setup, keeping different budgets in mind. The first is their light plan, which is basically free. You only pay your state's required filing fee. This is the perfect option for the seller who needs the protection of an LLC, but wants to keep their initial cost as low as possible. Plus, even the free plan comes with a 30-day trial for their bookkeeping and invoicing tool, which is fantastic for setting up your early finances and tracking expenses right from the start. However, just keep in mind that since this is their standard option, the state filing process on a light plan can take up to 14 business days. The next step up is the Essential Plan. It costs around $200 per year plus state fees and gives you a huge boost in compliance and speed by including expedited filing for a faster turnaround. So instead of waiting weeks on the free plan, Tailor Brands promises to process your documents and submit them to the state within 2 business days. It also includes your operating agreement. This is a crucial document that acts like the internal rule book for your company and helps protect your personal liability shield and dictates things like how decisions are made and how profits are split, ensuring that the business runs exactly how you intend. On top of that, the Essential Plan includes annual compliance alerts, and this feature takes the critical admin work off of your plate, ensuring that you don't accidentally miss a state deadline and risk losing the personal protection you formed the LLC for. Now, if you are ready to grab one of these plans, check out our affiliate link down in the description below to get direct access to their best current deals available. You'll also find our Tailor Brands review video there if you want to get to know them even better. And just so you know, using that link won't cost you anything extra at all, but we might earn a small commission that directly helps support the channel. All right, now let's look at the final tier. So for sellers who are really serious about building a recognizable brand on Amazon, the Elite Plan is a top package at around $250 per year plus state fees. It takes everything from the other packages and adds the powerful tools Tailor Brands is truly famous for. This is where we transition into the fun era of building your online presence, because unlike a traditional business compliance service, Tailor Brands' core focus is identity. The Elite Plan includes a powerful AI logo maker to instantly generate a professional logo for your brand, a professional website builder to create an external storefront, and a digital business card. These branding assets are absolutely vital for looking credible to suppliers, applying for financing, or expanding beyond Amazon to your own sales channels. So what really makes Tailor Brands stand out is just how flexible it is, whether you're just getting started and need the basics, or you're already up and running and need help staying compliant. You can pick and choose exactly what works for your Amazon store today, and just as easily scale it up later when you're ready. And that kind of setup makes it a whole lot easier to grow at your own pace without paying for stuff you really don't need. Now, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, then please like and subscribe to see more videos just like this. And as I mentioned earlier, if you want to give Tailor Brands a try, then you can use the links in the description below and check them out. Also, if you have any questions or comments, drop them down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Finally, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.